we divide 525 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 0. So 525 divided by 5 is 105. So this much for today and thanks for watching.